In this video, we'll take a look at how to optimize Largest Contentful Paint with Debug Bear's real user monitoring. Once the RUM snippet is installed and data is coming in from your website, we can see the Core Web Vitals dashboard, which gives us an overview of how our website is performing. Each metric has its own dashboard, which we can inspect when clicking on one of the main metrics. We can find more metrics in the sidebar also for further debugging. Below the main metric values are two tables: top pages and slow pages. If you are looking to improve your overall crux score, we recommend to focus your optimization efforts on slower pages that are receiving more visits. For example, here we can see the booking page is performing poorly. However, with less than 50 visits in the last month, it would be more effective to focus on better performing pages such as the homepage, which are more popular. Largest Contentful Paint currently has a score of around 3.5 seconds. This is the 75th percentile over the last month. Both the date and metric value can be changed in the top right. If we click the compare toggle, we can see that LCP has actually improved in the last month. However, Interactions Next Paint has regressed. Let's open up the LCP dashboard and inspect further. Hovering over the LCP value, we can see that only 42% of visitors experience a good LCP score of 2.5 seconds or lower. This makes sense when analyzing the distribution histogram to the right. Almost 9% of visitors experience LCP of over 5 seconds. As we make changes to the live site, we would hope to see this final bucket in the histogram reduce in size and the percentage of visitors experiencing a good LCP score to increase from our current point of 42%. The homepage is at the top of our slowest pages table, while also being our third most viewed page. The LCP subpart breakdown is listed underneath, with load duration and render delay dominating the chart. Hovering over the breakdown, both of these subparts totaled over 2.5 seconds, which exceeds the LCP budget. To improve load duration, we can serve images in modern formats and avoid bandwidth competition from other resources. High render delay suggests that there are render blocking requests holding back the LCP element from rendering on the page. Another takeaway here is that time to first byte is low, which typically suggests that we should see a good first Contentful Paint score. However, with render delay being high, we know that's not the case. Let's add the homepage as our URL filter, then check the FCP dashboard. The FCP value is almost at 5 seconds, meaning that our efforts should start by improving FCP. When looking at individual page views and applying the LCP type filter as image, we can see that the load duration is the main issue for most visits. At the bottom of each view is a partial request waterfall. To improve LCP, we could preload the LCP image with fetch priority high, also using a modern image format to reduce the file size. There's also bandwidth competition between other heavy image requests. We should optimize these images also and lazy load any images that appear below the fold. However, FCP still remains an issue, which is best highlighted when changing the LCP type to text. We can improve FCP by optimizing our CSS requests and deferring any render blocking JavaScript requests.